Spider-Man, 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 it's already here. Kahapon pa. Anyways. Uy. Spider-Man, brand new day, official trailer. Sabi teaser. Ano ba ito? Official trailer. July 31. Uy! Ito, shoot. Makapanood ko na to. Hindi katulad doon sa last. Fuck pandemic. Otherwise, here we go.
I can't believe our first pick of my team. MJ, come on, pretend like you're not the happiest you've ever been in your entire life.
I can't.
I knew it.
Nakabantay siya sa mga tropa niya.
Hi, my name is Peter Parker. You don't remember me, but we used to know each other.
Dang.
Something bad was gonna happen, and the only
Been
way
a
to
while.
stop
Spidey.
it was to make everyone forget about me. Because I'm not just Peter Parker. I'm Spider-Man.
Oh!
Ow, Hank! You just hit me with a van!
Put your weapon. Suit yourself.
Wag.
Go
Nope.
home!
Nope.
Sometimes Spider-Man has to do the hard thing, even if it breaks Peter Parker's heart.
Who's that?
What is happening?
Who's that? Okay. Nice pa si Gago. This year.
Excuse me, Dr. Banner. I need your help.
What did you say your name was? DNA is mutating. Could be enormous.
Mutation. Snake
Spiders
Parker.
have 3 life cycles. When between cycles, it can leave the spider
Who's that? Who's that?
vulnerable to threats.
We are faced with a danger that we can't control.
Umilipat ng katawan. Sibiyan.
Can't even see.
Stay out of my way.
Sa wakas.
You're losing it, kid. And for those spiders who make it through, it amounts to a kind of
Putang inahan.
rebirth.
Nice flowers.
That's the hand.
They're, housewarming.
I'm MJ.
I'm just a neighbor from across the hall.
Friendly neighbor.
Okay. Damn. So, pag-usapan natin kung ano pwedeng makita. Siyempre, may mga na-miss tayo dun sa bits of this trailer. And yeah, subukan nating himayin na. Otherwise, nasa aking harapan ngayon. Walang iba kundi sila. This is JD Toys Spider-Man line. Like I've said doon sa aking previous video, ang kulang na lang is Spider-Man and Miles Morales. And nauna ko to. So I'm gonna skip those two and stick with these two. Related sa line na to, hindi ako bubili kasi, you know, meron na ako nung Epic Hero Spider-Man line. Yeah. Although, yeah. What am I saying? Of course, bibiliin ko to. Hindi kompleto ang line na yun pag wala sila. Hindi sila totally complete. Saktong nag-drop yung trailer. Wala pa tumpik-tumpik pa, no? Let's cut them loose. And here they are after the packaging. And my god, look at these details. Okay. Walang sablay sa paint. Napakaganda. Napaka sharp. Nice. Harapat likod. Yan. Ganda ng paint na sa kanyang emblem. Spider logo. Sa face. Walang sabit. Nice. Galing ko talaga pumili. Ito naman, syempre, simple lang kay Miles. Of course, sa kanyang mata. Hindi siya mukhang spider. Mukha siyang alien. Sa kanyang paint sa daliri. Yan. See? Okay naman. Sa kanyang emblem. Walang sablay. Mata. Yan. Isa. Shoulder and back ng paint kanya. pati ang kanyang talampakan. Articulation, let's go! First off, dito kay Spider-Man. Of course, Siko, and that far shoulder. Ikot. And ganun din sa abna, that far, spread that far. Move down. Nulit ko, wala siyang bicep. Yan, shoulder action lang yan. And bicep, elbow. Otherwise, and waist, beautiful spread, Spider-Man spread, and single jointed knees. Kasi sa kabila, medyo loose lang tong kabila kasi Spider-Man is a flexible guy. Very nice kay Peter Parker. Kay Miles, syempre same lang din. Yan, ulo. Ay, yung ulo pala niyan. Ulo. Kevin Knight, naikot din. Because that head is in the ball joints. Kay Miles. And Kevin Knight, shoulders up. That far. And can turn. Elbow. Single jointed. Ganun sa kabila. Waist. Beautiful. Spreads. And single jointed knees. Okay naman yung articulation niya. Hindi naman sa kanyang proportion eh. Yeah. Spider-Man na Spider-Man talaga. Accessories, ito lang mga kasama sa kanila. Kanilang base. Ang kanilang stand. Ang ganda nung kay Peter Parker. Siya yung bumubuo ng line talaga. Ito yung kay Miles Morales. Yan. Katulad lang nun ng iba. Nakasama sa line na ito. Ganda na ito. Okay. And ito ang itsura nila. Nakakatayo sa kanilang base. Size comparison. Let's go. My previous figure reviews. A third-party Transformer Combiner Dinosaur Soldier Super. Overall, this figures is amazing. Okay. Medyo lumawanag na. Otherwise, okay, let's talk about the fourth installment of Holland's Spider-Man. This is Spider-Man Brand New Day trailer. Okay, Peter Parker, pasok. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. He's using his hand. Kala ko, madikit din yung puwet niya eh. Ano ba? Okay, syempre, to start the day, kailangan inspired ang ating bida. Konting stock lang si Parker dito. Stock lang, parang minsan ako. Sana ako nagbubundok. Dito ako natuwa kasi isa callback naman doon sa Spider-Man 2 ni Andrew Garfield yun sa suit scene. Isa airdrop scene. Yung tumalon na siya sa building at abang nagda-dive siya. Yung suit niya parang realistic. Tapos may shot pa na nasa inside ng mask. Awesome. May originality. Ayun nga, nakakalungkot pang isipin pero dun sa sitwasyon niya sa No Way Home, wala, kailangan niyang gawin. For the safety of his, loved ones, like, Ned and MJ, si Happy. Yeah, but still, nakabantay pa rin siya dun sa kanyang best friend and sa kanyang MJ. Love by Yarn? Oh. Wait, nakalimutan ako. May outing bukas, wala pa akong break, maglalaba muna ako.
A few inches later.
Okay. Yan. Okay. Back in it. Saan na tayo? So, sino naglalabas sa Peter Parker na kanyang spider suit? May nakita akong the greatest cameo of all time. Hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi mabubuhay si Spider-Man o lahat ng Avengers na wala sa Infinity War. Nung Infinity War, guess who? Pause this clip. Sa gawing kanan ni Parker o sa kaliwa mo, may makikita kang brown na upuan. At sa brown na upuan na yun, sa ilalim, ayun o, diba? Yung daga sa Endgame. Uy, ako lang ata naka-spot nun. So proud of myself. Oh, wait, is that Sheila Rivera? Assistant ni Mayor Fist? Wow. Sabi nila, it is confirmed daw na pagkatapos ng Daredevil Season 2 doon papasok ang brand new day. As we can see, as all we did see, na si Frank Castle nasa brand new day. Yat! Woo! Wait! I'm so excited pa sa ending. Baka makita natin si Spider-Man dito sa Season 2. We'll never know. Spider-Man is entering the battlefield. Sa scene na to, dito natin nakita yung yung film set doon sa last year. At ito na yung scene na yun, dito na yun. Then pasok, Frank Castle. Dito ka magugulat dahil magkakilala na sila. Spider-Man at Punisher himself. After tiniyan ni Frank Castle si Peter Parker, tumalsik at bumawi ng flying kick si Peter Parker. Yan, doon na natapos ang kanilang habulan. Or maybe, after tong web shoot sa kanyang bibig, kasi nga bawal magmura. Marami pang nangyari. We'll never know. Can't wait to see this one. Wow, ang galing. After makauwi ng Earth, o makabalik sa Earth, wow, tinarget si MJ. Wow, galing mo. After niyang pumati at nalasing ng todo, pagising niya ng umaga, dito na natin natunghayan ang kanyang development ng kanyang mutation at ang pagkakaroon niya ng all-natural risk web shooters. Siyempre, sa takot and confusion, talagang paano ka talaga makapaisip at kanino ba ako magpapacheck up sa ganitong sitwasyon? Kanino pa ba? Doon sa one of the OG Avenger and first Avenger na magbabalik on the big screen. Walang iba kundi si Bruce Banner himself, aka The Hulk. I think makikita natin si Smart Hulk dito sa movie na to. Some people say na andito daw si Jean Grey pero wala pa ako nakikitang confirmation if it's true or it is confirmed. Pero yung nakita nating kalaban niya, nagpapalipat-lipat ng katawan. I think that's telepathically logical. I mean, come on, Fox and Disney are batina. At why not? Sa scene na nakaupo siya sa isang upuan at nakagapos. Siguro, ginagamit niya na dito, cerebro. Hindi natin alam. Ay, eto, malupit. After fucking 9 years, nagampanan niya na ang kanyang role as the live-action Scorpion. Michael Mando is back, baby! Wait! Una nating natunghayan ang kanyang gloriness as the main villain o main baddie sa series na Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man animated series. May video rin ako doon. Baka gusto nyo bisitahin. Related dito. Lady Toys. Baka lang naman. Link is in the description. Oh my god. Si Rogue. That's Rogue. That's Rogue. That's Rogue from X-Men. Lonely girl, white hair. That's Rogue. Ito maangas. The callback from the past. The Spider-Man comic book cover montage, starting with The Amazing Fantasy from 1962, Venom lived The Amazing Spider-Man 1963 with Boomerang, and The Amazing Spider-Man 1974 with Tarantula. After nung napakagandang montage na yun, sabay pasok naman itong mga Red Ninja na kung tawagin, the Arashikage Clan from G.I. Joe World. G.I. Joe, Marvel. Ba't akala ko Transformer of G.I. Joe? Ayos ng collab na to Siyempre joke lang yan. Hindi, ang tawag sa kanila ay The Hand. Ang The Hand ay unang na-introduce noong 1981 at gawa ng isang sikat na manunulat na si Frank Miller. Ang crime syndicate na The Hand ay kilala sa paggamit ng itim na mahika, paggawa ng organisadong krimen, assassination, at sa pagbuhay ng mga patay. Ang The Hand ay pinamumunuan ng isang entity na kung tawagin ay The Beast. Sa comics, ang mga nakalaban ng sindikatong ito first of all, si Daredevil, Elektra, and Iron Fist. Natungayan naman natin sa Netflix Daredevil at sa Netflix Defenders. And here comes the money shot. Whoa. Wait, what? Parang may mali dito. Nangangamoy No Way Home? Naalala nyo ba to? Ito na naman tayo, Marvel. Sino na naman tinanggal nyo dyan? Pwede nating lagyan na blank space na yan. Kung sino yung mga pwedeng mag-appeal sa movie na to. Daredevil Born Again confirms Jessica Jones. Pwede. Or maybe Iron Fist. Maybe. Why not? Diba? She-Hulk. I know you want that. Not the series though. You didn't like the series. I know. Kamala Khan. Why not? overkill na to pag si Moon Knight pa yung nandito. Ay, yung daga sa Endgame. The whole gang, the Thunderbolts. Anyways, kapag isa sa mga karakter na to ang tumugma o nakasama sa money shot na to sa movie na ito, send nyo na lang sa Gcash ko. That's it for this one, and thank y'all for watching. Sa tingin nyo, sino ang makakasama niya sa laban na ito? Let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, hit like, share, and subscribe for more. And I'll see y'all on the next round. Bye guys! Oh, yeah. Ito next. Kaso, wala pa yung Avengers Doomsday trailer. Kaya, eto, may kulang pa to. Anyways, bye!